Hello, dear friends. How do you feel today? Do you love roses? Please comment and let me know what flower color you like best. I bought this flower branch at the store. It has a beautiful red color, so I decided to grow it. Today, I will share how to propagate this rose branch. Make the flower branch take root and we will plant it like a normal tree. First, I cut off the leaves and branches. Then I used a knife to trim the cut. The purpose is to make it easier for the branches to root and avoid rot. I used a peeled garlic clove and applied it to the cut. Garlic has strong antiseptic properties, so it is an ideal choice to help prevent flower branches from rotting and take root easily. The next step is to create a rooting hormone using garlic and aloe vera. You already know the benefits of garlic, but what about aloe vera? There are many vitamins in aloe vera, which help provide nutrients to the flower branches. Instead of using filtered water, I use Coca-Cola water because it has many vitamins. The combination of garlic, aloe vera, and Coca-Cola is wonderful, isn't it?
And yeah, yeah.
Soak flower stems in rooting solution for 7 days. Note that you should plant the tree in a cool place, avoiding direct sunlight. After 7 days, I checked. Look at the roots growing out, right? The flower branch has now developed many roots and sprouted new shoots like a real flower tree. I prepared a larger pot of soil. Plant a tree so it can grow well and produce lots of flowers. When planting, compact the tree tightly to stabilize it, and remember to water to keep it moist. Remember to watch and save the video for reference. Thank you for watching the video. Please give me a like button and subscribe to my channel. Wish you success.